What's up guys, Shawn here. So here's another Sunday flight with the Parrot Anafi using Flight Plan. Everything in the beginning of the flight stays the same, except last time I was flying sideways more than I wanted to. So once I go through the first straightaway, I take away all of the kind of smooth cable cam shots and just do straight shots. But the right there at the 188, the only thing that I don't like about this flight is I'm flying straight into the sun and then I end up flying away from the sun. So everything is overexposed in the second part of the flight and then underexposed in the first part of the flight. So I did a little bit of color correction, but I ended up picking 9 a.m. this morning, and I think that was a horrible time to make this flight. But I hope you guys enjoy this flight. Let's do it, guys.
Told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby. Told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby. Dance, 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 yeah. Dance, yeah. Baby. Dance, 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 yeah. Dance, yeah. Baby. toxic. Somehow you're fine with it, even when I'm chaotic. You see the shade in the cold, it's just my bad temper. What am I supposed to do when the flame's going high with my bad patience? I hate it always falls on you. But you know it's not about our love fading. You know it's not about, yeah. You know it's not about our love ending. You know it's not about, it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You see the shade in the cold, it's just my bad temper. What am I supposed to do when the flame's going high with my bad patience? I hate it always falls on you. But you know it's not about our love fading. You know it's not about, yeah. You know it's not about our love ending. You know it's not about, it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us.
Alright guys, that was a beautiful fall flight with the Parrot Anafi using flight plan. And we're about to be right back where we started from, closing up the loop. But hope you guys like this video. Please like, subscribe to my channel, click on the bell for notifications when I put out more videos of beautiful drone footage. And yeah, have a wonderful day guys. Peace out.